Hello everyone, welcome to my Christmas Commission Bundle 2021 review. And this Christmas Commission Bundle is going to launch by Glenn Kosky and his team on Warrior Plus Network at 12th December on 10 a.m. EST time. So what is actually Christmas Commission Bundle 2021? See, I think this is the biggest software bundle deal for this year, and this Christmas Commission Bundle 2021 will help you to make your next year, I mean upcoming year 2022, a very profitable year using this 15 plus best selling softwares and 13 plus training. See, they will give you 15 plus of their best selling software products and training also at just very teeny price like $16, 16 or $17. You will get all of their best selling softwares. See what you will get. See, 15 plus automated software products, 30 plus training products. I will show you what you will get, don't worry, I am just show you the things. And market proven top sellers, 100% beginner friendly. All of the softwares and trainings will be 100% beginner friendly, so you don't need to worry that you are very newcomer. So don't worry that you can use it to make it profitable. Okay, and all of this free traffic included. You don't need to pay anything else or run Google ads, PPC ads, nothing. Your all free traffic are included, and you will get world class support because Glenn Kosky is very popular vendor. So don't worry, and you can take advantage of the low time price for the best software bundle on earth, because you can't imagine what you are getting at just teeny price. Okay, let's see, go down. This is the vendor Glenn Kosky. He is a super vendor for creating lots of best selling softwares, and you can easily make your 2022 the most profitable of the year by using these very usable softwares and training course at a very teeny price. Okay, let's go down. See, you can maximize your profits, and cause you will get free traffic for generating traffic, commissions, leads and sales, and you can make multiple income streams, and they will show you how to do that. 15 all inclusive profit models for dozens of potential income streams, and see what you will get actually. See, this is the 2021 Christmas Commission Bundle. The best collection of traffic and commission apps for one incredibly low price. Okay, see, these all are the best selling softwares and trainings you will going to get at a very teeny price, just $16, under $20. Okay, and this is absolutely amazing because these are already currently selling. Okay, this each and individual are selling at a $22, $25, and you are getting all of these softwares and trainings at one time price which is below $20, like $16. I will show you how to get this by $16. See, and all of the softwares and trainings I have previously told you that 100% beginner friendly and very easy, and with step by step training, and all are the cloud based, nothing to install or download. And these all are proven. People have already got results using this, so you don't need to test. And Glenn Kosky is a vendor that has launched lots of best-selling softwares and made $5 million in online sales. So you can imagine the quality of these products and softwares. Okay, then see when you have the softwares and trainings, you can make this type of consistent incomes daily. It's not hard. See, this is the vendor's profile. See, then now what can do for you this Christmas commission bundle? Though it includes 50 plus software apps and 30 plus trainings modules, but what this can do for you? So it will help you to get free buyer traffic, monetize websites, recurring commissions, automated profit funnels, affiliate commissions, buyer traffic, high ticket sales, e-commerce sites, automated list buildings, passive income, affiliate review sites, and video marketing profits. So you can cover actually all of the things you want to do with internet marketing or digital marketing or freelancing or affiliate marketing. So see, all the things are covered with these 15 plus softwares and training. So you can do anything with this. Okay, and all of the, I have previously said, all of the apps are cloud based, premium hosting, and step by step training, so you don't need to worry about anything. So these are the things you will get inside. The first one is New Year Profit Boat. The first software or app, you can name it. The first one is New Year Profit Boat. This is 100% done for you commission system with free traffic built in, and the users are making 473 plus per day online with their profit boards and 100% free traffic. How cool! And see, and the regular price, this is already currently selling for $22. Okay, this single individual product is currently selling, the market price is $22. Then the second app is Wi-Fi Profit System. This is the world's first 4-in-1 done for you traffic. This is the traffic software. This is 4-in-1 done for you traffic app that lets you get free buyer traffic. And if you are newbie, if you have no technical skills and experience, doesn't matter, it will deliver you free buyer traffic. This is Wi-Fi Profit System, and the regular price of this also $22, like $23 actually. Then the third product name is Levels. Levels is absolutely amazing. I use it myself actually. This is a brand new technology for next level income. Okay, and you will also use this 2022 because these are type of evergreen type of methods, and this is also 100% done for you. This is 3-click affiliate system that built with free buyer traffic. They see most of the software comes with free buyer traffic, so you don't need to pay extra money for anything later. Okay, then free traffic and expert affiliate training also included. So this is absolutely amazing. This one is also, and you will get free buyer traffic in 3 clicks, and there are lots of functions here you can see, and the regular price is $23. The fourth one is Embassy. This is the most powerful traffic app and brand new and fresh, and in just 60 seconds you can clone your automated 100% done for you affiliate system with built-in free buyer traffic. See, and this is also for newbies and no experience needed, and automated affiliate system and multiple traffic sources with just 1 click. So it will also a awesome course to make money consistently, and the regular price is $23. Then the Traffic Beast. This is brand new fast to market app. The see, in the next 60 seconds 100% done for you super affiliate system with, again see, free buyer traffic from 100 plus million visitors, 100 million plus visitors, you can get free buyer traffic in just matter of seconds. So this is absolutely amazing. See, free buyer traffic, tap into secret source, they will show you some tricks and tricks. 80 million affiliate buyers, and this is, and the regular price is $23. Then Energize, this is also in 60 seconds. You can clone their automated high ticket commission system with free buyer traffic from 400 plus million visitors. We all know the high ticket commissions, high ticket sales are very trending, because if you want to make big money very rapidly, you need to promote high ticket products and you need to get high ticket commissions, and this Energize will help you to get high ticket commission and also with free buyer traffic from secret source of 400 plus million buyers. So this is absolutely recommended. See, elite buyer traffic under 60 seconds and secret source of 400 million buyers, and everything is done for you. Traffic is included for free. So this is absolutely amazing, and this is also currently selling under $23. Then Neo Commissions. Neo Commissions is actually, you can clone their push button system for free buyer traffic that makes over $900 in daily commissions, and this is actually artificially intelligent based powered traffic and commission app. See, and this is never before seen solution, and any newbie can get traffic and sales, and this is also under 23. Then Auto Profit Links. This is a brand new world class profit solution, and in less than a minute you can create 100% done for you profit links that makes you over $300 every day by exploiting 100% free buyer traffic. There is a system you can know and see. These are the features, and this is also under $23. So you are all getting this it at one time price. Okay, you don't need to buy this. Then Commission Pages. This is ultimate beginner friendly app. They instantly make over $500 online every day with commission pages, and in this training they will show you how. And this is free traffic, works in just a minute, beginner friendly, nothing required, no email list required, and this is also under 23. Then Passive Profits Formula. This is super affiliate breakthrough, how they use profit funnels to unlimited free traffic and buyer leads in just matter of minutes every day and make commissions. So this is absolutely amazing. See, brand new software done for you, viral traffic funnels. This is very cool, because they will create some funnels that will ready to be viral, and free traffic built in the system, and you don't need to know the coding, designing skills, anything else. So this, then 1K daily system. This is very popular product. They use this app to make $1,000 plus commissions daily $1,000 commissions. This is very popular, and this high ticket commission app generate them $1,000 plus commissions and unlimited free traffic in just 60 seconds. So they are making $1,000 and using free traffic, and in very short time. See, 100% traffic free built in, 100% commission, and 100% beginner friendly, and make sales, or they will help you on one-on coaching. This is very absolutely amazing, because if you can't make sales, then they will personally help you live one-to-one call. Okay, so this is really awesome. Then done for you profit funnels. This is 100% done for you profit funnels, making them $1,000 per day. And this is fast automated 100% done for you sales funnel app, generates free buyer traffic, sales commissions in matter of times. Then auto profit sites. This, the world's first automated traffic and sales apps, generates them unlimited free buyer traffic and high ticket recurring sales. Okay, this comes with brand new traffic softwares. This is comes with cloud based app, and you can easily make 4-figure per day, and all the training is included. So this is very awesome, and free traffic included into the app. And this is also currently selling under $3. Then 10x profit size, this will help you to make more money using the same system. See, clone their 10x profit sites, and these are the thing, and this will also comes with 100% free traffic, built-in traffic. Then VIT commissions. We all know that videos are a gold mine of traffic and visitors, and people are making lots of money using videos. And in this 100% done for you traffic and sales system, and you can discover how this breakthrough new app is making $1,000 to $2,000 daily on complete autopilot and generate unlimited free traffic using VIT commission. See, unlimited copy paste system, you don't need to be inventory. This is automated traffic on demand, 100% done for a system, and you don't need any skills or experience. So all of these softwares and apps you will get under a one-time price fee, and which is just $16 only. Under $20 you will get all of this premium course by Glenn Kosky. See, then see, grab XMax bundle now at one-time price. Just pay $19. I will show you how you can get it at $16. Okay, just keep it with me. See, and you will get even more things if you do so. See, purchase right now before the time expires, then you will get Glenn Kosky's mega traffic training suite. See, with this suite you will get additional 18 products, so you will get more 18 products with this. See, these are the products, and the additional value over $400, and these are also currently selling. See the testimonials, then you can recap what you are going to get. See, you get everything you need to start generating commissions in 2021 and 2022. See, you get multiple traffic and commission softwares. Yes, you are getting that. You get access to more than 15 softwares that will help you to generate traffic and sales. Then traffic generator, you will get a built-in traffic generator that will get you all the free traffic you will ever need. Okay, then multiple done for you campaigns. Sometimes when you have traffic, you need some proven campaigns to make money. So inside every software they are adding in done for you campaigns, so you can use to give your business a kick start right away. And step by step training, that is very mandatory and important. They will show you all the ins and outs of each software and how to make the most out of the purchase. And they will have a great support team. If you experience any issues, hit up their support team. They are more than happy to help you. So don't worry about this, and it comes with 180 days money back guarantee. If you don't like it, just refund it. So you are risk free. Okay. See. So if you individually purchase these softwares, it will cost you $344. See, 15 best selling apps, and all of these apps are best selling apps. Okay, and it will cost you $344, but you are getting, see, and all of these products are got Warrior Plus Deal of the Day award. See, all of the products. So you are getting newer profit bot, Wi-Fi profit system, levels, embassy, traffic based, energize, neo commissions, auto profit links, commission pages, 1K daily system, done for the profit funnels, auto profit sites, 10x profit sites, and hit commissions. Okay, and also 18 more products from Glean's mega traffic training suite, and you are getting all of this at just $19, and I will show you how you can get at $16, $3 up. So, and you will also get some bonus. Okay, fast action bonus. See, multiple free traffic software, 70x extra bonuses, live chat support, and there are lots of theme. And I will also give my personal bonuses, which will help you to maximize your profits. And no one can, I think, no one can give this type of bonus to you. So I have put the link in my description below. So when you purchase through my link, you will get all of these bonuses automatically on your access page as affiliate bonus. So this is very awesome. Now I am like to talk about my bonuses, which is worth over $33,000 real value. Okay, the first one is YouTube Velocity. This is a software for getting free bad traffic from Google and YouTube in just 15 minutes. This is a software. Then MIB a discovery ad codes and bonus page generator software. It will help you in many ways. Okay, this is software. Then Shina, this is a software for bringing free bad traffic for any niche you want. Then Genovia. Then Cleopatra is awesome software. I like this most. I use it myself for a long time because this software brings free buyer leads from LinkedIn, and we all know that LinkedIn is a business social media. Okay, so leads from the LinkedIn is very highly qualified, and this software will help you to bring free buyer leads from LinkedIn. So I highly recommend to use this. Then Golden Stash, then TweetX, another software for bringing free traffic from Twitter. Then this one, then Forget About Broke. This is invented by Johnny Rose, and this is absolutely amazing course. Nova, TikTok is now trending. You should go to TikTok for targeting. And the most important thing, that people are now placing ads on TikTok. So you can imagine how much TikTok is trending and how much TikTok is popular. So businessmen are placing ads on TikTok, and this is a Chrome extraction which allows users to follow targeted audience on TikTok. This is a software, you will need it. Then Lazy Traffic Sniper, I use it for myself. It will help to get free buyer traffic using Quora. See, free buyer traffic. Then List Lariat, this is a list building system. Ariel Association, this is a proven free traffic method for getting 100% proven commissions. Midas step-by-step training method. Traffic Underdog, 6-figure secrets. Traffic Booster, affiliate take up. Anyone can make money very fast within 24 hours. Affiliate take up. Then Super Shakedown. Then Profit Scope, you can hijack big affiliates traffic using this. Profit Force, another one. Octagon, you can clone all of the most profitable recent affiliate promotions. Elevate, and there are Accelerate. There are lots of software and training and courses you will get as bonus. I have put the link in my description below. When you purchase through my link, you will get all of my exclusive bonuses automatically on your access page as affiliate bonus. And this is commission bundle, Christmas commission bundle 2021, and you are getting all of this deal of the day products. I have explained what you are getting, what are the products about, and you will get also bonuses from vendor, and you will also get mega bonus from Glean, and my exclusive bonuses over $33,000. So this is absolutely amazing. You should go for it, and it can really change your year 2020 if you want it. Okay, because everything you need is included in this package, so I must suggest you to go for this. So this is for today. And this is all about Christmas Commission Bundle 2021. I hope this Christmas Commission Bundle will help you to make your purchase decision. So if you enjoy this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel. So see you, and oh, you need to see the $30 off. So when you go to the sales page, just go to the cost cursor button, you will get this pop-up and you will see the $3 off. So you can get it under $16. So this is all about my Christmas Commission Bundle review. See you soon.